Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Salesforce Marketing Cloud for campaign reporting, full guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Press the Enter key to navigate to the website. On the home page, locate the Login section. Enter your Salesforce Marketing Cloud username. Next, input your password in the designated field. Double-check your credentials for accuracy. Click on the Login button to proceed. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Marketing Cloud dashboard. From the dashboard, find the Email Studio option. Click on Email Studio to access your campaign tools. Look for the Reports tab located in the navigation menu. Select the Reports option to view available reporting functionalities. In the Reports section, you will see different reporting categories. Choose the category that corresponds to the campaign you want to analyze. Click on the specific report you wish to generate. Adjust any filters or parameters according to your reporting needs. Once your selections are made, click the Run Report button. Your report will begin generating, which may take a moment. After the report has been generated, review the data presented. You can export the report if needed by selecting the Export option. Choose your preferred file format for the export. Follow the prompts to save the file to your device. To log out of Salesforce Marketing Cloud, navigate to your profile icon. Click on the profile icon and select Log Out from the drop-down menu. Confirm your logout to ensure your account remains secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.